Welcome. In front of me is a LENOVO K6, and today I'll show you how to go through the setup process of the device. So when you boot it up for the first time, you will be presented with a screen that you can see right over here, and all you need to do is select your desired language, which for me it's already not a correct one, but if you want to change it, simply tap on this text right here. This will expand it, and as you can see, I have a bunch of other options here. And you want to select Get Started, which will take us to the Insert SIM card option. Now this is just an optional step and you don't actually have to do it. Now you will have this step and also the Wi-Fi connection. I can choose either one of those if you want to, or both of them if you want to have a connection to the internet. So I have later on throughout the process the option to log into your Google account, and also so the date and time will be set automatically. Now if you choose to skip both of them like I am, Google account won't show up, and also date and time won't be probably set correctly. Now here we have Circular Lenovo, so we can either restore the data from an older device through Google, or set it up as new, which is what I'm going to be choosing. Now I have connect to network, so like I said, you can connect to Wi-Fi here, or you can simply don't use any. And this brings us to the Google services, so we have location, scanning, and sending user and diagnostic data. So you can exactly read what these do, and if you don't like them, turn them off like so. It's kind of weird. Okay, anyway, let's go to next page, which is the date and time. As you can see, we can now fix it up if it's incorrect, or keep it as it is. Now I don't really won't be bothering with changing it up, so this will work for me. Let's select next. Then we have the name of the device, so or just name here, and this basically allows you to choose how other devices will see this phone itself. So if you choose to write something in here, it will take a name of whatever you wrote here. So as an example, Bluetooth devices will see this phone as whatever is filled right here. So will the Wi-Fi or hotspot. And now if you choose to leave this empty, it will most likely take the name of the device itself. So it's going to be something like LENOVO K6. And I'm going to be leaving it empty, so it's going to stick with the Lenovo. Unlike with fingerprint, now here we have the option to set up a protection. It asks us to, so we can add a fingerprint, but by doing so we also are required to add PIN, pattern, or password, one of those. The choice will be yours, or you can simply skip it. I actually want to add a pattern, so unfortunately I have to do it the weird way. So I'm choosing add fingerprint, and I'm gonna select pattern. Automatically asks for a secure startup. I don't recommend using this. What it does is when the device is completely turned off, as an example, your battery dies and you charge it up, when you boot it up again, so holding the power key to turn it back on, throughout the boot up it's gonna lock itself and force you to put your PIN, pattern, or password, and then it's gonna boot up fully and again ask you for that PIN, pattern, or password, which kind of makes it useless. I would say you have to put the same protection twice for some reason. So I'll choose no, thanks. So let's draw my pattern, continue, redraw it, confirm, and this will automatically set it up. Now I don't actually want to use a fingerprint, so I'll go back and I'll set skip. And there we go. It will keep the pattern, but not the fingerprint. Anything else, so we can add our Google account and all that stuff, but I don't really feel like doing anything extra, so set up later. About your privacy, obviously we need to accept this, so let's select accept and continue, and then select start to boot into the home screen. And there we go, the setup is complete. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.